Meet Alex. Alex is a marketing manager at a fast growing consumer electronics company. He's gearing up for a major product launch and needs to build a targeted campaign. But there's a problem. His customer data is fragmented, arriving as chaotic exports from his retail partners. These partners all use different systems like Salesforce, SAP, JDE, or Dynamics, and may export the data differently from one week to the next. This means his data is full of formatting quirks, syntactic inconsistencies, and schema drift. He can't build a confident campaign on data in such a state. That's where Osmos comes in. Osmos is designed to meet your data right where it is. Employing powerful AI agents, Osmos is built to ingest a wide range of file types, from CSVs and Excels to PDFs and JSON. Inconsistent schemas from different partners are intelligently managed, automatically mapping varied column names and applying bespoke transformations unique to each file. To put this power to work, Alex configures a data wrangler by simply pointing it to his destination table. By doing this, he creates a process that is adaptive by design, ready to handle the unpredictable nature of partner data, whether it's next week's file with a new column or next year's in a completely different format. The result is a coherent, unified data set, ready for refinement, all without having to configure any pipelines or writing any code.